The Megalodon, a behemoth of the deep, the largest shark to ever patrol the oceans. Its very name inspires awe and terror. But even this apex predator with jaws that could crush a car faced a world fraught with danger. The oceans of the prehistoric world were teeming with formidable creatures, some of whom even the mighty Megalodon would have been wise to avoid. In this exploration into the depths of prehistory, we venture into the territories of the Megalodon's most daunting rivals. These were the creatures that challenged its dominance, competed for its prey, and even posed a direct threat to its survival. Prepare yourselves, as we encounter 6 of the Megalodon's most formidable foes. From colossal whales armed with teeth larger than a man's hand to monstrous reptiles with an insatiable hunger, we'll uncover the challenges and dangers that lurked beneath the waves, even for the king of the deep. Our journey begins in the Miocene epoch, a time when the oceans were ruled by giants. Here we encounter the Livyatan, a creature that could go head-to-head with the Megalodon. Imagine a whale, but not as we know it. This was a predator, armed with teeth that dwarfed those of any living creature, each one longer than a man's forearm. The Livyatan was a formidable hunter, its massive size, reaching lengths of over 50 feet, rivaling that of the Megalodon itself. Its skull, a testament to its power, measured over 10 feet long, housing a brain specialized for hunting. Fossil evidence paints a picture of titanic clashes between these titans. Scars on the bones of whales tell a tale of the Livyatan's ferocity, while the sheer size of the Megalodon would have demanded respect even from this Leviathan. Imagine the scene, 2 colossal predators, drawn together by the scent of prey, or perhaps driven by territorial disputes. The water churns as they circle each other, their massive bodies casting shadows in the depths. Suddenly the silence is shattered, the Livyatan lunges, jaws agape, attempting to land a devastating bite. The Megalodon, agile despite its size, wheels away, its powerful tail propelling it through the water. The battle has begun. These encounters were not for the faint of heart. The outcome of such battles would have been uncertain, a testament to the power of both creatures. As we delve deeper into the Megalodon's world, we encounter another formidable predator, one that hailed from a different branch of the evolutionary tree. This was the Mosasaurus, a giant marine reptile that ruled the late Cretaceous seas. Imagine a creature that combined the sleek, serpentine body of a lizard with the powerful tail of a shark. The Mosasaurus was a true monster, reaching lengths of over 50 feet, its massive jaws bristling with sharp conical teeth. The Mosasaurus was a fearsome predator, its streamlined body allowing it to move through the water with incredible speed and agility. Its large eyes, positioned on the sides of its head, gave it a wide field of vision, allowing it to spot prey from afar. While the Mosasaurus and the Megalodon might not have always crossed paths, their territories and prey overlapped, making conflict inevitable. Imagine the scene: a Mosasaurus, drawn by the scent of a kill, encounters a Megalodon feasting on its latest catch. The Megalodon, protective of its meal, would have been wary of the Mosasaurus, its keen senses alert to the danger. The Mosasaurus, emboldened by hunger, might have challenged the Megalodon, its powerful tail propelling it forward in a sudden attack. The ensuing battle would have been a clash of titans, a display of raw power and primal fury. The outcome of such a battle would have been uncertain, a testament to the ferocity of both creatures. The Mosasaurus, a terror from the depths, a reminder that even the mightiest of predators face challenges from unexpected quarters. Journeying back to the Jurassic period, we find oceans ruled by massive reptiles. Here we encounter the Kronosaurus, a pliosaur of immense size and ferocity. Picture a creature with a massive crocodile-like head and 4 enormous flippers. The Kronosaurus reached lengths of over 30 feet with jaws armed with 10-inch teeth. These sharp conical teeth were perfect for gripping and tearing flesh. As an apex predator, its diet included large fish, squid, and other marine reptiles. No creature was safe from its insatiable appetite. Imagine a Kronosaurus encountering a Megalodon in its territory. Both top predators would have sized each other up, recognizing the threat. The tension would have been palpable, the water crackling with anticipation. The Kronosaurus might have struck first, launching itself with surprising speed. The Megalodon, agile despite its size, would have tried to evade the attack. The battle would have been a maelstrom of teeth and fury. The outcome of such a clash would have been uncertain, a testament to their power. Chapter 4. An Ancient Rivalry. Basilosaurus and the Megalodon. Our journey through the Megalodon's rivals takes us to the Eocene epoch, a time of dramatic whale transformation. Here we encounter the Basilosaurus, an ancient whale offering a glimpse into whale evolution. Unlike modern whales, the Basilosaurus had a long, serpentine body reaching up to 60 feet. Its jaws, lined with sharp teeth, were suited for catching fish and squid. Basilosaurus lived alongside Megalodon ancestors competing for food and resources. Imagine a Basilosaurus encountering Megalodon ancestors drawn by the same school of fish. The Basilosaurus might have tried to intimidate smaller sharks, driving them away. Megalodon ancestors, however, had their own defenses. Their agility and sharp teeth made them formidable opponents. Basilosaurus might have evolved to exploit different food sources or hunting grounds. Megalodon ancestors might have developed sophisticated hunting strategies and social behaviors. The Basilosaurus reminds us that the evolution of apex predators is a constant arms race. Chapter 5: A Clash of Titans, Pliosaurus vs. Megalodon. Returning to the Jurassic period, we encounter another formidable predator that could have challenged the Megalodon's dominance: the Pliosaurus. This colossal marine reptile was a true monster of the deep, possessing a massive head, powerful jaws, and a body perfectly adapted for hunting. Imagine a creature with a skull twice the size of a human adult, armed with teeth that could grow up to a foot long. The Pliosaurus was an apex predator, its diet consisting of large fish, squid, and even other marine reptiles. No creature in its domain was safe from its insatiable appetite. Imagine the scene: a Pliosaurus patrolling its territory encounters a Megalodon that has strayed into its hunting grounds. The two creatures, both accustomed to being the top predator in their respective ecosystems, would have sized each other up, their instincts telling them that the other posed a significant threat. The tension would have been palpable, the water crackling with anticipation. The Pliosaurus, with its powerful flippers, might have been the first to strike, launching itself at the Megalodon with surprising speed. The Megalodon, agile despite its size, would have attempted to evade the attack, its powerful tail propelling it through the water. The battle would have raged on, a maelstrom of teeth and fury. The outcome of such a clash would have been uncertain, a testament to the power and ferocity of both creatures. The Pliosaurus, a true titan of the Jurassic seas, serves as a reminder that the Megalodon, while a formidable predator, was not without its rivals. Chapter 6: A Battle for Supremacy, Megalodon vs. Megalodon. Perhaps the most formidable enemy the Megalodon faced wasn't another species but rather its own kind. Megalodons, like many apex predators, were likely highly territorial, competing fiercely for food, mates, and prime hunting grounds. Imagine the scene. Two massive Megalodons drawn together by the scent of prey or perhaps driven by territorial disputes. The water churns as they circle each other, their massive bodies casting shadows in the depths. These encounters were not for the faint of heart. Each Megalodon possessed incredible strength and weaponry. Their jaws, lined with serrated teeth, could inflict grievous wounds. Their powerful tails, capable of propelling their massive bodies through the water with incredible speed, could deliver bone-crushing blows. The battle would have been a brutal affair, a maelstrom of teeth, muscle, and fury. Each Megalodon would have attempted to outmaneuver the other to land a bite on a vulnerable area, to gain the upper hand. The victor, often decided by factors such as size, experience, and perhaps even luck, would claim the spoils of the fight, while the loser would retreat, bearing the scars of battle. The fact that Megalodons were willing to engage in such fierce combat with their own kind speaks volumes about their nature. Outro: The End of an Era, Legacy of the Megalodon. The Megalodon's reign, though long and undisputed, eventually came to an end. Changes in climate, competition for resources, and perhaps even the decline of their prey all contributed to their extinction. Yet their legacy lives on, inspiring awe and fascination in equal measure. We've journeyed through the ages, encountering the creatures that challenged the Megalodon's dominance. From the colossal Livyatan to the agile Mosasaurus, from the ancient Basilosaurus to the powerful Pliosaurus, and even other Megalodons themselves, these rivals paint a picture of a prehistoric ocean teeming with danger and competition. Thank you for joining me on this exploration into the world of the Megalodon and its rivals. If you enjoyed this journey into the depths of prehistory, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content about the creatures that once ruled our planet. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.